Mr. Secretary, I ask you if Regulation 429, the resolution, is in force, or was it repealed? Mr. Secretary, is Resolution 429 in force, or has it been repealed? Mr. Secretary, I ask you to please answer me if Resolution 429 is in force or repealed.
No, it is not repealed.
It is not repealed, so it means that it is in force. I verify then that what Article 11 of that resolution says establishes that a drug can only be modified by the amount of 30 votes, which is the absolute majority of 2/3, correct, Mr. Secretary? This is what Article 11 says. Yes, correct. And this is also before it. It is correct that this resolution establishes 30 votes so that the loss of investiture can proceed. Is that correct, Mr. Secretary?
According to that resolution, yes. Perfect.
If that resolution is in force, if that resolution establishes 30 votes so that the loss of investiture can proceed, and if that resolution establishes that it can only be modified or repealed with the amount of 30 votes, then it means that everything that is being done here or is intended to be done is null and void. That first, so that it remains on record and will later serve the colleague in the Inter-American Court of Human Rights. But even if 30 votes were obtained today to modify or repeal this regulation, the national constitution establishes the non-retroactivity of the law and the non-retroactivity of the legal norm. Even more so when we are talking about a possible process from which some sanction or penalty may derive, we know that the principle of criminal law says that not crimes, not penalties,